I wanted to do a haul of new clothing pieces that I got from Fashion Nova, but when I firstly recorded this, one, it was super blurry, the mic cut out halfway through, and then my phone battery died the last time I tried to do that. So we're gonna pretend like I have the two giant parcels from Fashion Nova, and I'm opening them up each and pulling everything out and unpackaging everything. All right, that's how we're gonna pretend. I'm in my pajamas, so grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's get cozy. So I usually don't buy a ton of pieces at once, but I really couldn't help the 75% plus off sale. So I took advantage of it and I got bodysuits, dresses, jumpsuits, and a bunch of pants. And I'm going to break them down into sections for you guys and show off what I got. As well as in the following video, I'm going to try everything on in kind of like a sped up version. So this is just going to be a little show and tell with me. First up, the bodysuits, a basic red scoop neck. I got a brown and olive colored strapless bodysuit. Here's the olive one, ta-da, ta-da. And then this one was super cute. A white kind of Bridgerton-esque bodysuit. And then I guess I'll show the dress because I only have one that I got that I also absolutely love. Look how freaking cute this is. It is like a couch material as well, so I'm super excited to show you guys what it looks like on. I'm also pretty good at looking at an item and knowing how it'll fit my body. It's just something I've been very good at for a long time. So I've never really had to return anything. I've always either had the item fit perfectly or slightly adjust to make it work. But like I said, I couldn't help myself. It was 75% off. Let's move on to the jumpsuits, which are honestly some of my favorite pieces that I was able to find. This one, let's start off with a full leather, faux leather 70s jumpsuit with the tan, the white, the blue, and the brown. It is a flare jumpsuit. It zips all the way up the front, shows off the girls. Can't wait to show you. Next is a little more of a formal wear. I mean, it's just a little bit fancier material, but it is also a flare jumpsuit with brown taupe and white. If y'all know me by now, y'all know that I love a good color block, multicolor, patterned girly, all right? And the last jumpsuit that I got, also another color block, surprise, surprise. It is a strapless denim flare and leather combo, white, brown, and denim jumpsuit. Super cute. I did try this on already, and I fucking love the way it looks on me. I only got one matching set. There wasn't a whole lot that were one on sale, but two that I really liked. It's kind of a hit and miss. And also when your body type is a little different, especially when you have bigger boobs and a smaller waist or a smaller butt and big boobs or small boobs and a big butt, it's so hard to find matching sets because if you buy a large, you're going to get a large top and a large bottom. If you buy an extra large top, extra large bottom, small top, small bottom, it's like matching sets are so hard, especially for busty girls or big bottom girls. I mean, hell, even both is kind of crazy. This came with a cringy Western heart belt buckle that is super cheap and flimsy. So I took it off, not gonna use that. But it does come with this super cute, I forgot it was unzipped, tube top. It goes like this, hang on, like this. But it's a super cute tube top, it zips in the back. And it is paired with some also matching denims that flare and are super cute. I love this set. I also may have already tried this on and it looks super cute, but stay tuned and you'll see what it looks like on me. Now for the pants. This is a giant pile of pants. If y'all know me, I love my statement pants. Statement pants, statement pants, statement pants. I absolutely love a good pair of colorful, patterned, just solid color pants. Something that like you can make an outfit be amped up a level. Let's start with the very simple. Got these for like $3, a pair of Kelly green sweatpants. Nothing crazy. They're sweatpants. They were $3. I bought them. Let's do denims first because I'm also really excited about these. Got a pair of baggy khaki yellow style denims. Stretchy, good material. Remember, it's not like amazing because it's from Fashion Nova, but hey, it's still great. We'll still make it work. Ball on a budget. I absolutely love these because these remind me of vintage Rockies and Wranglers. They have an acid wash tone to them, but these are a turquoise teal color, and they look just like a pair of Rockies that I used to have. And if you guys know, you know the sizes of the vintage pants are everywhere and absolutely crazy. So it's nice to actually find a pair that's a little bit more comfortable, even though it's not the name brand. Same with this pair. It is a maroon acid wash style. I have a pair of Wranglers that look just like this in my closet, but they are like 7 sizes too small. And when I was literally 120 pounds, and before I had the tatas and everything, I don't fit in those anymore. So now I just have a new pair. And then I found these purple baggy jeans, kind of a ultra washed style of purple, but can't go wrong with a little purple. And then finally, a pair of pink baggy cargo pants. Super cute. Nice little simple solid color statement pieces. Now we move on to the fun stack. These are all faux leather pants, and I didn't realize most of them were faux leather pants until they arrived, and that's okay because we're gonna make them work, and I absolutely love the way they look anyways. First up, a pair of distressed style brown leather flares, straight legs, flare, a combination of them, but here's a pair of brown ones. I got a pair of slate blue shark skin colored leather pants. Super cute. I got the exact same pair that the brown ones were in, but I got them in an olive green color because I have a bad habit of buying multiple colors of the same pair of pants. And then once again, more color block, striped, multicolor outfit. These are a pair of brown triple toned pants. And finally, like I said, didn't know these were faux leather. I thought these were just like a regular pair of denims, but they are faux leather snakeskin pants, and they surely make a noise. Some baggy straight legs. Super freaking cute. And that's it. So stay tuned for the try on haul. I'm going to do a little model switcheroo, all right? But this was fun. I plan on doing some more haul style videos, I guess, in the near future. It's like we're on FaceTime. It's kind of cute. I love it. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night or morning or wherever it is that you're watching this. Make sure to stay hydrated, eat some food, and I'll see you on the next one.